All right, now I will show you how I'm able to make at least $3,000. So this position, I opened this position based. So this position here, I predicted that the market is going down, and I'm waiting. I will wait for 40 seconds, and I will see uh what direction the market's taking. I'm 100% that this one is going down. This is why I opened the lower position. I invested $400, and I'm expecting to win $384. So this is binary option, by the way, guys. The strategy that I'm using here is explained in the course in the description below. I will teach you how to trade binary option, and I will teach you how to use my strategy. Everything is in the course. Yeah, so the strategy is based on some indicators. For example, here the parabolic SAR, right? The BB. So yeah, I won $384 in the last 1 minute. Yeah, in the last 1 minute. So I have 1 minute. So this one is going up. How I predict which direction the market is taking? Simply, I use my strategy. My strategy is based on some indicators, bollinger bands, parabolic SAR, and RSI. Yeah, RSI. Also, mostly my strategy is based on the chart patterns, my own chart patterns, my own indicators, and my own rules on my strategy. So if you're interested, guys, in learning my strategy, please go to the description below to the course. Great. Now I still have 4 seconds, and I'm making, yep, as expected, $384. All right. Now, yeah, wait for it. Just wait for it. Here, it's not that clear. It's not clear. Yeah, this one I'm not sure about. Yeah, because look, it's going over the parabolic SAR, right? Over the parabolic SAR. It's touching this red line. Yeah, now I guess now I know that we having an uptrend, right? So went over this line, right? The market is over this line, meaning that we having a green candle over here, or at least an uptrend. Yep, as expected. I'm investing right now. As you can see, $400. I don't like to invest more than $400, right? Sometimes I invest more, but in most cases I like to stick with $400 or less. I'm making $384 in one trade. That's amazing. That's really amazing, guys. Yeah. Look, I still have 9 seconds. And my prediction was right. So my prediction was right. The market made an uptrend, and I made $384. Great. Now, if we have an uptrend over here, look, the market went from below, and look at the SAR. Now we having again. This indicates that we having a green candle again, right? Yeah, we having an uptrend. The market will not go below this line. The market will stay under this line. So let's hope. I still have 3 signals. Great. as expected. Let's go. All right, $400. This one is going up. Yeah, this one is totally going up. Yeah, this one is totally going up. I'm sure. All right. Guys, if you're interested and want to contact my assistant for anything you want, you can just contact me via my email or my support's email in the description below. I would be more than happy to have. Yup, great. So we made, yeah, this one's going down. So we made our, I guess 5, yeah, I guess 6 wins. I still have 2 or 3. It depends. It depends on which size and which colors the market is creating. By the way, I'm trading with the 1-minute chart pattern, candlestick chart pattern. I'm using, as you can see here, RSI. I'm using parabolic SAR, this one, and I'm using this one, which is bollinger bands. Great. Yep, $384. Let's hope that, yeah, I still have this one. I guess this will be the last one. Yeah, this will be perhaps, yeah, this will be the last one. Great. Yeah, this one is going to be the last one. I'm investing $400 as usual. Yep, this one's going down, going up. I'm trading on OTC, as you can see. I'm trading on OTC on Euro USD. Yeah, amazing. So guys, see you later.